In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete photos and videos from Telegram. Whether you want to remove something you sent by mistake, clear up space, or just clean up your chat history, this method works for individual messages and it's super simple. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open Telegram and navigate to the chat where the photo or video you want to delete is located. This could be a one-on-one conversation, a group chat, or even a channel where you have admin rights. Once you're in the chat, scroll through the conversation and locate the specific photo or video you want to remove. When you found it, right-click directly on the photo or video. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Delete. This will open a deletion prompt with two important options. The first option is Delete for everyone. If you choose this, the photo or video will be permanently removed from the chat for all participants, meaning nobody in the conversation will be able to see it anymore. The second option is Delete for me. If you select this option, the photo or video will only be removed from your view, but other people in the chat will still be able to see it. Choose the option that fits your needs. If you sent something by mistake and want it completely gone, choose Delete for everyone. If you just want to clear it from your own device, choose Delete for me. After selecting your preferred option, Telegram will ask you to confirm the deletion. Click Confirm or OK to finalize the action. Once confirmed, the photo or video will be deleted according to the option you selected, and that's it. You've successfully deleted a photo or video from Telegram. This is a quick and easy way to manage your media and keep your chats organized. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more Telegram tips and tutorials.